Delay the pain, no doubt. I'm not arguing with you. But I believe say you know the saying, God's time is the best. Joseph get dream. Joseph get better dream. This one I said now Baba God even show him the dream. Now Baba God arrange the dream for him. But you know what's happen? That dream no carry Joseph enter palace immediately. The dream no come to pass immediately. Joseph suffer. Joseph pass through pit. Joseph pass through slavery. Joseph still pass through prison. And this na innocent guy, he not do anything. Very innocent guy. But you know what? All this delay follow for the design Baba God be arranged for his life. If say Joseph miss one step, Joseph will not feel rule Egypt the way he rule Egypt. Last, Joseph tell him brothers for Genesis chapter 50 verse 20. So that thing wanna plan for evil for me. Baba God turn am for my good. So relax. Hope still there.